Welcome to Ireland, a land where every road tells a story, where landscapes are carved by nature and legend. Today we're taking you on a journey through Ireland's most scenic drives, where hidden gems and epic views await around every bend. Our adventure begins along the iconic Wild Atlantic Way, stretching over 2,500 kilometers along Ireland's rugged western coast. This route is a breathtaking mix of crashing waves, rolling green hills, and picture-perfect villages. As you cruise along the coast, you'll find yourself pausing often, not because you have to, but because the view demands it. Sure, everyone's heard of the cliffs of Moher and they are stunning, but the real magic lies in the lesser-known stops like the sleepy village of Doolin, where traditional Irish music spills out of the pubs each evening, or a chill island in County Mayo with its windswept beaches and wild, untamed beauty. Take your time here. It's not about how fast you go, but how deeply you see. Next, head south to the Ring of Beara, a legendary loop that takes you through a wonderland of lakes, mountains, and medieval ruins. This 180-kilometer route offers panoramic views of the Atlantic, the mystical McGillicuddy's Reeks mountain range, and endless sheep-dotted hills. Early morning drives here are especially magical when the mist still clings to the valleys and the sun slowly reveals the emerald beauty below, but don't stop at Kerry. Just nearby, the lesser-traveled Ring of Beara awaits, quieter, more rugged, and in many ways even more enchanting. This is one of Ireland's best-kept secrets. Narrow roads wind through sleepy fishing hamlets and dramatic coastal cliffs. It feels untouched, almost like a hidden Ireland that time forgot. For those looking for something truly unique, venture north to County Donegal and take on the Slieve League coastal drive. These cliffs are nearly 3 times higher than the cliffs of Moher, but far fewer tourists make it here. The roads twist and climb, offering views that feel otherworldly. When the wind rushes past and the Atlantic crashes below, you'll feel like you're at the edge of the world. And let's not forget the Causeway coastal route in Northern Ireland. This drive is pure cinematic beauty, from the ancient basalt columns of the Giant's Causeway to the dramatic Carrick-a-Reed rope bridge. Along the way, you'll pass Dunluce Castle, perched precariously on a cliff edge, and tiny villages full of warmth and history. Of course, what makes these drives truly special isn't just the views, it's the quiet moments in between, stopping at a roadside cafe for a warm scone and a strong cup of tea, chatting with locals who are always happy to share a story or recommend a detour, or pulling over just to soak in the silence of a valley that feels like it belongs only to you. In Ireland, driving isn't about getting from one place to another, it's about the journey, the detours, and the wonder you find when you least expect it. Whether you're chasing the sea breeze along the Wild Atlantic Way or discovering a forgotten castle in a misty valley, these roads invite you to slow down, breathe in, and truly experience the soul of Ireland. So the next time you're in the Emerald Isle, skip the fast lane, take the scenic route where hidden gems and epic views are just the beginning. Like, share, and subscribe for more journeys that inspire, explore, and uncover the beauty of the world.